Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football Postgame Show. Excuse me. Well, the New England Patriots shut out the New York Jets tonight, 33-0 at MetLife Stadium in New York. And it's the largest Patriots shutout in their team's franchise history. Tom Brady and the Patriots, it's their 23rd win on the road for Tom Brady and the Patriots, and 8 wins in their 8th win in a row over the Jets for the Patriots. 8 wins in a row for the Jets over the Jets for the Patriots. And I'll tell you one, the Patriots have held opponents to 14 or fewer points this season, and the Patriots' defense was just so dominant in tonight's game against the Jets. And it's the Patriots' first 7-0 start since 2015 and 3rd in the team's franchise history. And the Patriots' defense had 18 interceptions. Basically, when the Jets intercepted the ball, and then the Patriots intercepted it once, and matches total from last season. And the Patriots forced 6 turnovers versus the Jets, 4 interceptions and 2 forced fumbles. And Sam Darnold had 5 turnovers in this game tonight, and the Jets just those fumbles and those interceptions just cost the Jets the game tonight. And the Jets did not do anything right in this game, in tonight's game against in tonight's shutout game against the Patriots. Darnold had 13 dropbacks in the blitz, and Le'Veon Bell had 70 yards rushing in the shutout loss to the Patriots. Needless to say, this was a very embarrassing and humiliating night and loss for the Jets by far, as they dropped to 1-5 on the season. And the Patriots jumped out to the early 7-0 lead in the first quarter, and they never looked back. And then they scored another touchdown, which was one of those Jets interceptions. And then it was 14-0, and then they scored again. It was 21-0. Then they got into field goal range, so it was 24-0 at the half. And then it was the Jets scored and had kicked a field goal, and it was 27-0. Actually, they had a safety, and it was 26-0. Then it just scored another touchdown, and it was 33-0, and that was basically it. I mean, Jets fans were not happy tonight walking out of the MetLife Stadium tonight, and because they were hoping to get their second win, and so that's basically it. And it was just, needless to say, it was just not a good night for the New York Jets. And not a good night for Sam Darnold, because he felt he was seeing ghosts in this game tonight. And they just held the Jets to just 14 yards rushing tonight. To 14 yards. The Jets never got on the board tonight in this game. And they've got the Jacksonville Jaguars coming up this Sunday, so they're going to have to regroup and see and look at their mistakes to try to beat the Jacksonville Jaguars to get their second win of the season. And the Patriots have our Cleveland Browns coming up this Sunday at 4:25. And I feel the Browns need to beat the Patriots. So, boys, you better come out fired up and ready to play at Gillette Stadium in New England, because you need to beat them and go to 3-4. And I feel the Baltimore Ravens need to lose their next 2 games. And I really feel that way, because that would help us out. The next 3 games, excuse me. And I feel they need to do that. And Sunday night we have a great game for you. Actually, Thursday night, excuse me. I'll do that first. The Washington Redskins will take on the Minnesota Vikings at US Bank in Minneapolis, Minnesota at 8:20 on Fox and NFL Network. And then we have a good Sunday night matchup for you. The Green Bay Packers will take on the Kansas City Chiefs at Arrowhead Stadium in Kansas City, Missouri. And next Monday night we will have the Miami Dolphins and the Pittsburgh Steelers from Heinz Field in Pittsburgh. So we've got some good matches coming up this week, some great NFL matchups. And I took New England, so my brother-in-law, we won. And I was 8-6 on the picks. My brother-in-law was 9-5. He won, so we both have the same record at 2-2-3. So we're basically these same records. So we're tied in the on our official of the week records right now. And I just feel the Patriots offense and defense just dominated this game tonight, especially the defense. And Tom Brady was just unstoppable in this game tonight. And the Patriots, this game for the Jets was over from the start because the Patriots just had their number and they had this game in hand from the get-go. So this basically was the Patriots' night to win on Monday Night Football. So, well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football postgame show. I'll be back with one of my regular broadcasts on Wednesday. So until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm done.